Delta variant spreads like a common childhood disease, internal report says. Almost everyone knows that the Delta variant of COVID 19 is very contagious. This is why many nations have brought back restrictions to slow down the spread. Do you know how it compares to other infectious diseases as some childhood infections? An internal report from the US CDC offered that information. The details are quite alarming even for CDC scientists who are fully aware of what infectious diseases can do. The document was first reported by the Washington Post. Details were saying that the war has changed against COVID 19 and the world must acknowledge it. The one striking detail in that document might be difficult to accept, especially for those who are still struggling with vaccination, face masks, and new research suggesting vaccinated people can spread the coronavirus. The strike is this: Delta variant causes COVID 19 to spread as fast as chickenpox. Although it would be published soon, the document revealed that vaccinated people may transmit the virus as easily as those who are unvaccinated. Also, vaccinated people showed similar viral load levels to those who aren't vaccinated. These similarities were observed in people who got sick due to Delta. The New York Times highlighted what the document meant that COVID 19 is as quick as chickenpox. Using available data, the bird flu was charted as the slowest to spread with fewer than one person infected by each sick person, on average. The original SARS-CoV-2 was just a little behind the poliovirus by transmissibility. But between 5 and 10 people infected by each sick person, on average, the Delta variant sits at the back of chickenpox. The Delta is even more infectious than Ebola or smallpox. Among diseases listed, the bird flu is the deadliest with a near 90% fatality rate, and measles is so transmissible with a score of 15. If Delta is really as swift as chickenpox, then the return of face masks is justified. There are 3 reasons why face masks should be enforced again. First, unvaccinated people are susceptible to any variants of COVID 19. Second, vaccinated people are believed capable of spreading the Delta variant as well. And third, people with weaker immune systems must protect themselves in places even with low transmission rates. They can never know how variants may infect them. So, it is better safe than sorry. Despite the scary details, the CDC report still finds COVID 19 vaccines effective in preventing serious disease.